Rules of the game. There is no dice in this game. It's purely based on your skill. Every player gets 24 turns. Click here to see the numbers you will get in the 24 turns. Every player gets the same numbers. 4 sixes, 4 fives, 4 fours, 4 threes, 4 twos, and 4 ones. Except the order in which they appear may be random. Tap on the token to move it. You get 1 point for making one move. If your token gets cut, points will be cut for it. After 24 moves, based on points, winners will be chosen. You don't need 6 to start the game. Every player gets 10 seconds to make a move. If the turn is not played in 10 seconds, then the turn gets skipped. On 3 skips, game gets over. If someone's token reaches home, then 56 points get added to the score. On cutting the token or reaching home, you get extra turn. The number value of move is randomly generated. There's no extra turn on getting a 6. Tokens can't be cut on start.